Baby. Hi. Oh, hey, Chatty. Hi, my name's Tess. I'm a kitty worshiper. I'm here with Massimo and Carissima. My beautiful little buddies. My chatty little buddy. Yeah, that's right. You like big flops, don't you? Big flops and belly rubs. You just like to let gravity apply itself to you. Massimo. I hear you purring, baby. War of the Tails. What is that noise? You're good kitties. Kitty man.